Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll share 10 smart and scientifically proven tips and tricks to grow healthy tomato plants that will yield tons of delicious tomatoes. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a newbie, these tips will help you achieve success in growing tomatoes. Segment 1. Seed planting tips. First, let's start with seed planting tips. You can easily grow tomatoes from seeds or from tomatoes. Once they germinate and grow into little ones, you can choose the best ones and transplant them to small 4 to 6 inch pots and discard the weaker seedlings. The first trick to apply at this stage is to strengthen the root system of this young plant. A strong root system will make the plant healthier, disease-resistant, and responsible for the quality and quantity of harvest. At this stage, you must add a source of phosphorus to help the plant produce stronger roots. The best one is the organic rock phosphate, about half a teaspoon per seedling. Segment 2. Final transplant. The second tip is the final transplant. When the plant reaches about 8 to 10 inches tall, you can transplant it into the final spot, whether growing in the ground or in containers. On the ground, maintain at least 1 to 2 feet spacing between plants. If you're transplanting to containers, choose large containers, like at least 15 inches in size. The larger, the better. 2 tricks to apply here. One is to add 1 to 2 tablespoons of organic rock phosphate into the hole and place the roots in direct contact with this. The second trick is planting as deep as possible. This will form a robust root system, which in turn will produce a high-yielding, disease-resistant tomato plant. Segment 3. Staking or supporting the tomato plants. The third tip is staking or supporting the tomato plants. Staking is a very crucial step to get a healthier plant and a good harvest. There are many ways to stake tomatoes, like using good quality tomato cages, making your own trellis using some wooden sticks or even bamboo sticks, or using a string support. Do not twist the string tightly onto the stem. Use cheap plastic plant clips, which are completely safe and useful to hold the plant to the string without compressing the stem. Segment 4. Watering. The fourth tip is watering. Water the plants regularly, but do not overwater them. Overwatering can lead to root rot and other diseases. Water the plants at the base, not on the leaves. This will prevent the spread of diseases. Segment 5. Fertilizers. The fifth tip is fertilizers. You can use your usual well-draining loose potting soil for container gardening with at least 30% compost in it, and 30% garden soil, and another 30% cocopiat, plus some 10% other stuff, like bone meal, neem powder, perlite, vermiculite, and so on. You can add a handful of compost, like decomposed cow dung or vermicompost, to the top layer of the soil for a nutrient boost.